want to say during this lockdown I haven't been thriving and I've been procrastinating a lot, and that made me more bored and more miserable, and that's what I didn't want to do. Initially, I did want to be more active and get more work done and make the most of the self-isolation period, but that didn't happen. So with the help of these vlogs, I'm going to be more productive and get more work done. So follow me on my journey and let's begin on this vlog. decluttered my wardrobe as much as possible and got rid of the clothes that I did not need anymore and organised them. So at the front I put all my headscarves and then my cardigans and then my long dresses. Then after that I just have one fancy white camis, which I did plan on wearing this year, 2 places, but I guess I'm going to just wear it at home. So here's the full view. This used to be my mum's camis, but since I liked it and now I fit into her clothes, she gave it to me. It's just floral with a little bit of like silver boarding. What's boarding? I mean silver border. I'm currently voice recording this in the middle of the night whilst everyone's sleeping. At the back I just have some jackets and more cardigans and a sweater. Put those at the back because I don't really need them at the moment because it's first I'm not going anywhere and second it's nice and sunny and warm. And then on this side I have some fancy tops which are all handmade and some plazos which are also handmade and a nice big white skirt which I hardly get to wear because white gets dirty very easily, and some regular pants for home and some more dresses at the back and some casual camis at the back. And now that's all sorted and I decluttered majority of my clothes. And on that side is just some winter things that I don't need at the moment, mainly jumpers and sweaters and dresses that are like thicker. This summer I'll be making more tops and more dresses and I'll be doing more tutorials on them and uploading them, inshallah. And outside it's nice and sunny and very quiet, which seems weird because usually there's kids playing outside, but I guess it's safe for everyone to stay at home in these times. Now I'm going to carry on cleaning because the rest of the room is still a mess. The sun is now setting and it's taken all day to declutter and clean up. I just got the floating hoover and then I should be finished and I'll show you how the bedroom looks tomorrow. I didn't really decorate it or anything because I haven't got any supplies to decorate it at the moment since all the shops are closed. But I did like clean it up, make it like a lot more spacious so I could sit here and work and not just procrastinate and sitting in bed and eat, which I have been doing for the past 3 weeks, just sitting in bed and eating. I got rid of most of my GCSE things since my exams got cancelled and I won't be needing them anymore. And if you're wondering, I'm currently filming this from my bedroom window. Nice beautiful morning. Now my mind's feeling a little bit fresh since everything's decluttered and cleaned and there's a lot more room. So it'll be a lot more nicer sitting in my room and I'll probably be more productive and working.